Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video, and in today's video we're playing Mano Police Patrol once again. I actually love this game. So I actually kind of love the animations, and it's R6 because games which are not R6 are so stupid. But this game's nice because it's R6. So we, of course, would you wait? Okay. I kinda wish you could get a ship swap. Wait, you see the window top there? We're almost these size. Alright, let's not complain about that and get our beautiful Dodge Charger. Come on, get down. We're going to be 10-8. I also do need to fix my mic, guys. Sorry for the thing. Like a chichibuchi thing, if you know what I mean. I forgot to get my notepad. I'm just gonna copy and paste that so it doesn't take me a long time. Sorry for the okay, this bugged. You gotta be kidding me, dude. I hate when my recorder. Crossy. I love this Mano like I love this MCSO clothes because they're white, not just brown. And white has a really reflective color with Mano at morning and also night time. Just look how clean the place is. This doesn't have jerks all around. And I also hate when my game lags. So we're just gonna go ahead and patrol around. Gotta get a screenshot, dude. This is beautiful. I wish what's the game called? Vancouver, yes. I wish Vancouver had a course code model like this, like box scores. I mean, they have block scores, but it's not like nice. That is the reason why I go Vancouver, and that game is not even realistic, except for this one. This is a better one. Is there even anyone in this server? I see nobody. Oh fuck. Alright guys, I'll see you when something happens. Alright, this guy is the wrong side of the road. Stop, stop. You have no place to go. Get inside. Oh, whoa. Shots fired. Officer down. Fuck. Oh shit, I said the F word. Oh my. That happens when this people are so stupid. I wonder why are there two different vests. I mean, this is not a really realistic, but I'm glad Mano added this because it's way realistic. Not gonna lie. Dude, I swear, if my is my voice changer on? Okay, thank God. I swear, if my voice changer wasn't on, I'll be so angry because I already did a full video. Alright. Oh, man. Oh, look at. Oh my fuck. Candace did not. Candace did not. I was checking the fucking Discord, alright? I was checking the fucking Discord. I swear, if that was an illegal U-turn, I didn't see you do that. That's why I'm not saying nothing. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the bowl. Can you not? Can you not? Can you not, please? Oh man. I swear. He's dead. Don't get on, dude. Really. Don't get on. Oh, I was in the video. My bad. Whenever I take my mouse into the other PC, this game won't stop lagging. Not fun. Alright, let's run into these civilians. I wonder if there's any. Let's check with them. Those are the good. Hello guys, how's it going? What's up? Look at this man right over. Oh, I'm sorry, women, I mean. What? No. What do you mean? You just said no. What the heck? You're such a weirdo. Alright guys, if you wanna see the Discord server also, this is the Discord. This is the Discord. Their code is Mano. Mano. Their code is Mano. Their code is Mano. You can see at the top right. I'm getting kind of bored because there's no climb up. Oh, but I still can get over this course. Looks so beautiful, dude. So freaking beautiful. I can't get over this car. Beautiful, dude. Alright, I may stop the patrol over here. Let's get a patrol. So, okay. Let's end it here. Alright, let's end off that patrol here. Alright, let's check you guys the Discord. So a lot of people has been telling me what's the Discord server. So what's the Discord server thing? So oh wait, never mind. I'm sorry. Okay, you see my video? Go to the video description, and then you can and then you can find the link for the Discord server. So that's how you yeah. Have a great time, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Wait 1 minute. A lot of people has been asking me for the army thingy GB. I don't know what you call it, like the army thing. So you guys just this is the. I'll have the code down below in the description. Make sure you guys join. Alright, have a goodbye.